Hello. All right, so I wanted to do a demonstration of brushing my hair because I used to use this brush. I love it. It was my fave. As you see, it's got some wear and tear, some missing things. The bristles were thick enough to get through all of my whatever I was brushing, so it would go through the front and the back, but it was still soft. The thing was, like, after I'd get out of the shower, this is about what it looks like, and I would be like having to wrench through my hair. I've always brushed it starting upside down because when I had my undercut, there's nothing there, so I'd start from the back. So that was an easy transition because that's what they tell you to do with this one. But I would lose a whole bunch of hair, and I'm like, wow, I lose a lot of hair in the shower. That's crazy. I'm just getting all this dead hair out. No, Jess, like, you are ripping hair out of your poor scalp and breaking bristles in the process. Like, don't do that. So I've been using this for the last month or so. I was like, these little bristles aren't gonna get through anything. They do and they don't. They don't go through your whole chunk of hair, but it like brushes it out and I don't lose nearly as much. So they say start from the back. And by this point I'd be in pretty excruciating pain if I had my other brush because I'd be trying to forcefully detangle. And here I don't. And this is what I say to brush starting from the back so you can get all the oils in your back hair here, your neck. Do this for a couple of minutes until you feel good about it. Like, honestly, the front's already pretty. I'll have to hit the front, but sometimes I do that from this side too. It's already pretty, everything's pretty detangled from this angle. Get it? Detangled from this angle. Alright, so by the time that feels good, just flip it on over, and then I still start from the back and I kind of just get them moving in the direction that I want them. And then by the time I get up to the top, which is usually the hardest spot for me in the back, it's already like good to go. I'm wondering if with my headphones in, if you can hear it going crunch, crunch, scrape. If so, sorry about that. I don't know, maybe some kind of ASMR situation. I never brush my hair with headphones in. Then I find my part. That's not it. Give it the old twice over. And like, no pain at all. It feels really, really good on my scalp actually. It's nice and scratchy. Feels like a little bear. Yeah, we're good. I do lose some hair, but it's not nearly as much as what I used to use, and I'm not breaking any bristles, so don't think you guys want to see that. Yeah, clean it out. It's ready for the next one. Cool. And so prior to brushing, I've used the bar of shampoo, a bottle of shampoo diluted, and then the bottle conditioner. I've not been putting in any of my diamond crystal spritz or my conditioning spray because I'm still working out the texture of it. And I've been liking just washing it and leaving it alone, but to each their own, you know? All right, hope you enjoyed watching me brush my hair for 4.5 minutes. Take care.